Hello, I'm going to teach you guys about Boolean operators, or some people like to call them comparison operators, but it's pretty straightforward, especially if you took in a logic class or a discrete mathematics or structures class. This should come by pretty easily. So say we have a variable a, and say we're assigning a true or false value to a. We're gonna be doing that by using a comparison operator. So here we're gonna say a is either going to be equal to true or false if 5 is less than 6. So if 5 is less than 6, then a is going to be assigned true. Okay. Now say if 6 is less than 5, then a should have the value false, because that's a false statement, right? 6 is not less than 5. As you can see, there you go. Okay. So what comparison operators we have multiple of them. So like we can have we can even compare oh here, let me just show you the comparison operators first. So we have greater than equal to I say 1, whatever. Then we have less than or equal to 2. Let's see what else we have. We have also have equal to. If 1 is equal to 1, that should give us 2. What am I missing? Oh, not equal to. If 1 is not equal to 2, this should give us true. All these should give us true for variables. So B should be true, C should be true, D should be true, E should be true. And aside from greater than equal to, we also just have greater than and less than. So what I mean by that is 1 is less than 2, 2 is greater than 1. Yeah. So those are the comparison operators. Right, so if we were to print B, it'd be true. If we were to print C, it'd be true. Alright, so now I'm going to teach you guys about logical operators. Logical operators compare two variables in a way. What I mean by variables, I mean true and false variables that hold those two, like respectively. So, like in this case, variable B holds true, right? And C holds true. Okay, so say we were to print A and C. So notice that and has been highlighted a different color because this is an operator. It's gonna print false because why is it gonna print false anyway? Oh, because if we print A, we have false, right? And again, if you're familiar with logical structures, you should know that an AND operator will only return true if and only if A and C are true. So let me give you an example of that. So in this case, we return false because A was false and C was true. That doesn't work. Now, if we return B and C, then we should get true because B is true. You can see that here, and C is true. Okay. Now, I'm gonna show you guys the OR operator. So in order for an OR operator to return true, only one of the variables have to be true. So the other one can be false, and it would still return true. So it's either X or Y is true, or both are true. But if neither are true, then it's gonna return false. Let me give you an example. We know that A is false, and we know that C is true. So this still returns true, unlike our AND statement here that returns false. Okay. So, and it doesn't matter like the order too. So A could be true and C could be false. C could be true, A could be false. You know, it doesn't matter as long as one is true, then it's gonna return true always. Also, if both are true, then it's still gonna return true. So B or C, we know that B is true, we know that C is true, so it's gonna return true. Now I'm gonna say that C is equal. I wonder if can I do that? No, I can't do that. C is equal to. I wonder if I could do it explicitly, but I have to learn. Say C is less than 2. That makes C now false, right? Okay. So now I'm gonna print B. Oh wait, no, well, C's already been false. No, wait, no, it's been true. Okay, print C or A, and I have true. That's because A is false. If I print C, oh, C is true, right? I didn't make it false. C is greater than 2. That now I should be. Okay, that was weird. False. Yep. So if I print C or A, I should get false. Right? Simple. So I got false because neither is true. Neither or both are not true, so I got false. What's another one? Not. So what not does, it negates our variable. So like here, we know that A is false, right? And if I do print not A, then this is gonna return true. Okay. And I think I could actually stack these up. So if I say A, C or A should give me false, right? But if I not it, I should get true. And I do. Okay. Because what not does, it say A is false, then I should get true. Now if we have a variable that's true like B, right? If I not it, then I should get I should get false. Okay? So that's how that works. So we just went over comparison operators and logical operators. Comparison operators, they return true or false values based on the given input. So here we have 2 is greater than or equal to 1. It is, that's true. So B is assigned that value. Okay? And same thing with less than, equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than. Logical operators consist of and, or equal to, or not. Okay? Yeah, that's everything you should know. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, leave them in the comment section and or shoot me an email.